subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has finally launched its new Y series smartphone in Jordan called Huawei Y8s. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Y8s supports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with wide notch at the top center that carries dual 8+2 megapixel selfie cameras. And at the back, it has another dual camera setup that includes 48 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The phone comes powered by Kirin 710 chipset paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. The device packs with single 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 512GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 9 Pie based on EMUI 9.1 skin on the top with Google Play services. The device comes backed by 4000 mAh battery with 10 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.4 by 77.1 by 8.1 mm and it weighs around 180 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. Unfortunately, the pricing and availability details were not revealed at the moment, but we expect the phone to price around $150 and it will be available in emerald green and midnight black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Y8s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.